My fellow academian, there is one small piece of paper that can quietly kill a home sale. It's called a 4-point inspection. And in 2026 Florida, it matters more than ever. So what is it? Think of a house having 4 vital organs: roof, electrical, plumbing, heating and cooling. A 4-point is a quick health check of exactly those 4. It is not a full home inspection. It exists for one reason only, so an insurance company will agree to cover the house. A Florida licensed inspector performs it, and the report must be dated within the last 12 months. Why does it exist? Older houses break in predictable ways, so insurers ask for this report once a home hits a certain age. Citizens, our state-backed insurer, draws the line at 20 years old, a rule in effect since February 2022. Most private carriers ask at 30. Nearly all ask at 40. If your home has a mortgage and it's old enough, you cannot skip it. Now the 4 grades. Roof, not leaking, with at least 5 years of life left. Electrical, no dangerous panel. 4 brands are near-automatic denials: Federal Pacific, Zinsco, Challenger and Pushmatic. Some can fail to trip or melt. Plumbing, no polybutylene pipe. HVAC, working, not ancient. Here is the twist. A failing 4-point isn't just a bad grade. The insurer says no coverage. No insurance means the bank won't lend. No lending means the sale cannot close. One failed report can kill a deal in the final week. But the numbers are fixable. A dangerous panel? Replacing it runs about $2,000 to $5,000, a few $1,000s now, or the whole deal collapses later. So here's the save. Run the 4-point before you list. Find the tired roof or bad panel early. Fix it. Hand the buyer a clean report. Coverage binds, the bank funds, everybody closes on time. And while the inspector is there, add a wind mitigation report. A hip roof and impact windows can cut the wind premium 30 to 45%, often over $900 a year back in your pocket. If your Florida home is aging and you're thinking of selling, Academia Development Corp can inspect it, cure the roof, panel or repipe, and broker the clean sale, all under one roof. Run the 4-point early, turn a deal killer into a closing. Until next time, my fellow academian.